Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Fortnite in Galaxy A14. So first of all guys, you have to go to Google Chrome here. Now here search for Epic Games. Tap here. Now this one is the interface of the Epic Games website. So we have to first install the Epic Games. Just tap install and tap to install on Android. So as you see, now we have a pop-up of a download anyway. So just tap on a download anyway and Epic Game is now start downloading. So okay, now as you guys see, Epic Game store.apk is now installed in my device. So just tap here and then click settings, allow the permissions. Now tap to install. Now just go to Epic Games here guys for installing the Fortnite. Here we have a Fortnite, so just tap here. But as you guys see, this device doesn't support Fortnite. That's mean no Galaxy A15 doesn't support Fortnite. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.